If you're looking to switch from AirTalk Wireless to another provider while keeping your phone number, you'll need to understand the porting process. AirTalk Wireless is a lifeline service provider that follows FCC guidelines to ensure smooth number transfers. Number porting allows you to keep your existing phone number when switching carriers. This process transfers your number from AirTalk to your new wireless provider without losing your familiar contact information. As of August 2025, FCC regulations require that most wireless number transfers complete within 1 business day. This means your porting process should finish quickly once all information is verified. To successfully port your number, you'll need 5 essential pieces of information from your AirTalk account. Having this information ready before starting will ensure a smooth transfer process. First, you need your AirTalk account number, which is typically 10 to 15 digits long. Second, your account PIN or password, usually a 4 to 6 digit security code. Third, the phone number you want to transfer. Fourth, the account holder name exactly as registered with AirTalk. And fifth, your service address that's on file with the company. You can obtain this account information through 3 main methods. The most reliable is calling AirTalk customer service directly. You can also check your online account portal if you have access, or look through your physical documentation like welcome packets or billing statements. AirTalk Wireless provides various phone models to their customers. Whether you have one of their popular devices or any other model, the porting process remains the same for all AirTalk customers. Before initiating the porting process, ensure your AirTalk account is active and in good standing. Any outstanding issues or suspended service can cause delays or prevent the port from completing successfully. As a lifeline service provider, AirTalk Wireless adheres to Federal Communications Commission guidelines. These regulations protect your rights during the porting process and ensure carriers cannot unreasonably delay or deny legitimate port requests. Understanding these fundamentals prepares you for a successful porting experience. With your account information ready and knowledge of the process timeline, you'll be well equipped to transfer your number from AirTalk Wireless to your new carrier efficiently. Now that you have gathered all your account information, we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process to successfully port your number out from AirTalk Wireless. Step 1. Choose your new wireless carrier. Research different carriers to find the best plan for your needs, considering factors like coverage, pricing, and features. Step 2. Contact your chosen carrier to initiate the port-in request. You can do this by visiting a store, calling their customer service, or using their online portal. Step 3. Provide your AirTalk Wireless account details to the new carrier. This includes your account number, PIN, phone number, account holder name, and service address. Step 4. Double-check all information for accuracy. Even small mistakes can cause significant delays. The new carrier will then contact AirTalk to verify your information and begin the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for processing completion. Simple ports typically take 2 to 4 hours, while complex cases may take up to 24 hours. You'll receive confirmation when the transfer is complete. Step 6. Service activation and completion. Once the port is successful, your new carrier will activate your service and your AirTalk Wireless service will automatically terminate. Test your phone to ensure everything is working properly. Here are 3 critical reminders for a successful port. First, keep your AirTalk service active until the porting process is completely finished. Second, double-check all information for accuracy to prevent delays. Third, avoid common pitfalls like providing outdated information or attempting to port a suspended account. This visual guide summarizes the complete porting process. Following these 5 steps ensures a smooth transition from AirTalk Wireless to your new carrier while avoiding common mistakes that could delay your service transfer. By following these steps carefully and providing accurate information, you can successfully port your number out from AirTalk Wireless. The process typically completes within a few hours, giving you seamless service with your new carrier.